Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Do you want to allow your users to post comments on your WordPress posts on pages anonymously? Now you know that by default WordPress only allow comments after they provide their name and email address. Now there is a chance that they can provide fake names or fake email address, but in this method you'll actually learn how to allow users to post anonymous comments by giving them an option to do that in WordPress. So you can do that by making the email field and the name field optional. Generally it's compulsory to add that, and that's why people often add a fake or dummy name and email. But in this video what people can do is that they don't even need to fill in the email and name field option. So to do that, let's go to your WordPress admin dashboard, hover on to settings and then click on discussion tab. Now you can see various settings are available here, so you can enable or disable them. Now from here we need to go to the other comment section. Now uncheck the box which says comment author may fill out name and email, and scroll down to save the changes by clicking on it. Now on your website, the blog posts and blog pages can receive comments without the name and email address. Simply removing this checkbox wouldn't tell your users that they can leave comments without providing a name or email address. So you would want to communicate this by showing the name and email fields are optional. So you'd like to show them, right? So that they can know that okay, this is optional. So in order to do that, you can go to appearance and then click on theme editor. Now go to your functions.php file. Now here you have to add a small piece of code at the end. Now before making any code related changes, make sure you have a recent backup of your website so that if anything goes wrong you can always restore it later. Now I'm also adding this code in the description so you can copy it from there. Now this code is going to modify the comment form and will specify that name and email field is optional. So once it's done, click on the update file option and let's move to the website to check the same. Now moving to the comment section, you can see here that name and email fields are set to optional. Users can post anonymous comments in WordPress now easily on your own WordPress website. I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people, so please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.